my plan. You put them coach down. Some Ghostway Castle Shop. You will not come every day. To send you moving now. Ghostway Castle Shop. You will Kumasi in front of Newtown. You didn't labor office in the bank. Ghostway Castle Shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Say dear, ya sign at the baby for kra and na eba. Ya suansa no djuma bebre. Na de ya di bayi de. Eya dutwam. Ya nya no baby ada. We eya for kra. Ike 1 any Kumawood TV akamboma ye de ebreo eya sonko kwanso kra ye be kire wo niam bi te se invisible biofield digester eno no ye nto blog bia ye no form hosa enti uba unhu se ye bibi te se o flash na ahye unhu nanso o flash ya na ahye eno ane e fre no invisible biofield digester we onsuan wo ba bia bra na ye nkire e wo Kumawood Training Institute afei so ye ba ye bibi ti se milo making eye milo ye de ye tin de ye mpampa de ye niam wo fia no pa no bra ne kire se na esi ye milo eno no wo betimi aye akoton anya sika afrimu afei so se ne ye si de soya beans eye nido bra ne ye kire se na esi eye no emani meme mu amaso aware anase wo na odofo biti ho na wo libido no ekofom bra ne kire libido drink wan kasa obeye no wo fie na amawo atenka e wo mpem we die emani mema ayasem de pa bra ne kire kama pa infertility drink eno so emana muntimi nwo ana mema na mutukosua nso muntimi nwo no bra ye kire natural drink obenno na amawo timi awo ba ensamude we die ye nti bi da Kumawood Training Institute wase bra niamfa dakope enchire osanema we nyina afenso yenuanom ma ne mema mu yusu aye liquid soap ane shower gel e wo fie no momra ye be kire mo se na esiye no pa liquid soap and shower gel we nyina no wo betimi aye akoton ayusu bi wo fie ama onya sika bebre afenso car tracking device installation we enso ya de a aye bibikito bia wo de bo kam ye kire wo se na esi de bo kam ana moto so se na be ya obi bi pa bia woni di akire pa no entimi nyira emfiri wonsem brane nkire wo se na esiye no sa niema mako enkuno ene de keke ka ho bonus nyina ka ho ye kire ne ya ju sika kitwa bi eye 300 Ghana cedis pe eye kan sika 3 million no me pa cho mensene ebi ma obia fa wade ekuta uba bedru ya no oba abeya registration eye Saturday 14th August imo ne da etoso edunan afiye mo ena ye sa dwumade wo ye oba wo ye bema wo ye panyini wo ye akora obi bia betimi aba abesua bi eno ntifa number na eda screen so no na wo de frɛ yen ne ye ntwere wo din keke ne fa register emfa mount eye 0244 294066 0244 294066
Ogoso Sinopi live on Kumawood television. You did come out Ghana home. We are fixing the country, fixing our attitude. You know, I won't come out and His Excellency could see at the ODK, leader and founder, UPP man you could know Ufia. Or some of the Ghana mano just 1 year. Obesa Ghana, I'm a Ghana ya konopa. So and Akudia, and so a founder at the NPP Health Caucus on also Ufia. Well, OPK go so or say the fix the country demo was just an exercise to their bodies to release some facts because visionary and competent Nanado and NPP government are already fixing the mess their clueless and super incompetent John Mahama and NDC created for the 8 years. Okay. Hello, good evening. I am Miss Joycelyn Dia from Konfanochi Teaching Hospital. The President Nanado and the NPP government as a whole have really fixed the country. 1. Training allowances have been restored. 2. Free SHS for Ghanaians and many more. Keep the fire burning for the good works of NPP. My husband, Mr. Okudia, and all can say, Abana fix you, fix the country, no. We say, I'm monitoring the show. Please, the NPP man should stop saying they are paying cocoa farmers. We have sent our cocoa to the cocoa shell for almost 2 months ago, and we have not received any money. I'm Bright from Asen South. Bright, they are also there, but you say they all kinds of cocoa for your cano and a create in him. Good evening, Sir Mike. As an NPP communicator and the youth as well, I thought he should even start by giving our implementations put in place to fix the country. He shouldn't try to add more salt to the wounds and provoke millions of jobless graduates as him. He should be thankful that he has gotten the opportunity due to his political affiliation. Ghana needs to be fixed. Emmanuel Buama inside Kote, they are also the Abba and no. We say these MPP people are always defending themselves. They are always stealing, so they don't know how the system is hard. Okay, are you sure they steal? Good evening, Sir Mike. Is he telling us the demonstration was fruitless? Hey, NPP, we live to see in 2024. Doctors, and so the other 50 DM Abba and no. Enoch appear Mano from Ejumako. Good evening, Sir Mike. In fact, I'm not happy for your show today. If not because of the good work you are doing, Sir Mike, why is the NPP man talking the way he is talking? Enoch, and so the Abba no. Face the country for India. Good evening, Sir Mike. Greetings to your panelists, especially with the K. Is the NPP man with us in the country? Is he enjoying, if he is enjoying NPP and Akufo-Addo government, is not, okay, I'm not getting the import, but I don't see anything the NPP is doing apart from borrowing, causing financial loss to the state, corruption and bribery. Look at the increment of public sector workers, salaries, and you are happy. Don't provoke people who you dairy from what and the eba. Okay. We say, good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying your show. Tell the K Takrade is waiting. Okay. With the K Beba. Why? The K Beba. With the K Beba. But some of the other now, maybe soon one day. We say good evening. The good citizen man is saying the truth. Leave the NPP man over there. Is okay. Means me fans also. Tell His Excellency to be a good citizen always. Okay. Thank you. And so yeah, that's it. No message I would Abba. Please, I'm enjoying your program. Okay. Yeah, that's it. One for the we say good evening, Sir Mike. Please, the NPP man said what? The question will be, sir. Is he happy that fix the country demo started under Nane's regime because he can fix it? It's a question. Is it because he has just look at the corruption, unemployment, family and friends, high cost of living, education, unnecessary borrowing, no infrastructure, etc. Nana and Baumia have failed Ghanaians. Peter, Gosso, and Odifria, and also Eddie Abba. We say hi, Sir Mike and Naomi. Keep on interrogating and keep on exposing the lies of these politicians. Oh, sir. Well, also Eddie, no. You go so Eddie, come up again, Sebra. Na inya emre and kinkai into me emfa emma. Goes way casket shops and can't just any when ye now open Fradaka actor. And also pay free ambulance, video coverage, sound system, and a person high, and now free open canopies, open chairs, or sending no obey me any bit the amount who is carby triaka, who needs to be few. You may we are now the abba. That baby no goes to a bit to me at their 12 or I don't see Pomodia and a copy of goes to a catch Kumase as a liberal about the hall and a goes to casket a catching a war over free 0243 737-457 457 Mala Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center also many more den ampa ibi any more den the amount ba we adwuma na adwuma na nkoso abra na wotumi mu anu adwuma no entumi entumpon obeba mbode am adwuma na nso ose bra malam se bia na yare typhoid hepatitis malaria ana se bia na yare fe na twere na ha wo dam na ba bia bo obusuani no nso ebi ha no oware awo no emma wadwuma sam aye basa ni na no so ba obetumi abo control so sam na aye basa so malam se bra na omwa nemum ope se unya bambode ma adwuma osuto na mabo bebo pa owo Eastern Region Kumawood TV eho na owo ona ACU Edema Unity FM go be free Mala Mohammed 0246 647 247 Our Travel and Logistics say en kan chiro say ni akwantuo na apeso tu Dubai na odoko wo free Our Travel and Logistics manager no ka so odoko US a ka ten say mai so boa baby akwana shin wo ye strong I no entom fa ho eye Dubai eno nti be ko Dubai akoya adwuma na wonya sika ede be bo abusua adwuma no wo ho o san so ma baby a obeda na wetime adwuma e wo Dubai bo no de wo fom pa bo so miensa no da je visa na ma wo na afi wo so akopi mu e wo Dubai enya sika bo abusuafo e wo fie wo pese utu sa kontu no a 0552 373027 0552 373027 offer no a obejo so na afi wotimi ene wo edi nkomo medin ere say Mike Maria no Sinopia ha Kumawood TV wo hwe yen so a Facebook Kumawood TV wo comment ade aba ho de benyamre yakenkan ede ama YouTube nso ko so a wetumi ene edi nkomo ego so edi nkomo fa nchane bra na yankenkan emfa ma mensan ko kudua ho na yanhwe maburu no Jesus no doso enra na utie mpanifo no bi kwa no mo kan wan sama no omo ka omo say omo opportunity no to demonstrate not NDC not NPP motie kire a wo say we happy say ya demonstration we e wo NPP e penso but I wotie kire as a politician NPP na wo hwe mabunu a omo ka say ya most of this mabunu no rooted for NPP in 2016 ai ne omo hu say abanya ba mu nyina mo de omo hwamo a enye ehu mfa ma won say sa mabunu omo nya third force bia so dika NPP can lose power 2024
okay I'm saying enche what e wo before you na bi de meka babia ne say amabunu ade ekura mpo no se meye babunu se mete he na me pese meye adwuma enye aban adwuma kwa na oya ebede ye se de educate kan ye no for policies ye de sign na so say ye wa yi na na fabra ye na fabra
so bia mete yi me babunu me pese me ba me pese
ye babia ye babia se
bia mete yi me babunu me ko university me environmental science the whole lot bia minya meye anke bia menya samda ko sojuma so but bia na fa me kono anyhow a lot of Ghanaian youth wa mo ye adwuma ye bia omunya nkoma ba ye mo adwuma ba fa me kono anyhow on fa mra he opportunity no he
ye wo MPP wo ana say aban ne won sese bibire a wo fa so de bo amabunu enti say wo person ye biti se bia family a o de your letters na na so propose na that's what they call agriculture ministry omo wan kro battle wo hono ma ye hwe sa no money yeah
enti babru bi pese babru
o pese o ya
doc
o de kwa
o za
yeah ye wo fa nkwa battle bi hono ma mo hwehwe sa asam no
o za
yeah ana yan fa say o ye business o bi ko ya accounting e bi business e bi management
me environmental health science student
fine ade na mun kam hombo
na yenya den
na won entro proposal from Rabai. John Kuma na da sa ayi na no.
Nep.
Yeah.
Okay.
E wo ho ai o mugu so ade bua emabunu.
Doc, ye de yakwa o. Ya hwe ni me je so kwa ye de.
Be o de kwa so wan fulu. Pan sanko.
Oh. Da.
But so o de kono. Sometimes o de kwa e wo so sanko. But o de kwa to na se bia wan san fulu. E bia na documents no krampo bi kwa na
over millions of Ghanaians are omuye youth omako school yo mutifie. Omo na to meet proposal de kwa abana be support you. Is that what you are saying?
Yeah. You go entime mo mu nyina adwuma de. But kakra krante de bi na America say ya fafa bia ye go so a ya sign e de financial clients ya ba be fa bo be 1 million price no. Say ni na ye mabuna adwuma ne bia. ente de na kyerɛ sɛ mabunu no ka sɛ ɔmobrɛ na aban bi so ba ya sɛ na ɔmobrɛ kyɛn sa
aban de no
endi se ba ebidi ebidi yɛ mo na mo tena kunya so the highest years ade na mo yɛ ma first Ghana mabunu but MPP ba yɛ so no within 5 years no hwɛ mabunu a napkofo abi na na mekeka napkofo ne national youth and primary ne community policy ne community na zoom na na ko na sɛ ni nyina yɛ adwuma no bia na mo tifia yɛ kyɛn so tifia emra a wonya hwɛ mebo napko over 100,000 plus almost
100,000
yeah ego hoda dada mabuna ye adwuma bebre entenya afi na omo first say ye ba beka se omo tifia omo nya adwuma e wo hoda dada bato oba no aban ne guso a oye dey oye nsese ye kakra cause obi de na obi de ochina so entina se da meka se wo enom kwan nsese bebre wo hono ma aban ne fa so ye dey ese na mabuna anya adwuma na enye na nado na ma omo bre o ye obre mu ya se ye blame e first say NDC government
alentia
Because someone am dey call arguments. Say, the my mfa enipa e wa ban edwuma. Over how many years? Ye dansan ya be last 2 years ya na etimi yi free, ye free omo nsam. Ana ye gu so a ye tu ya ye first ye fa na kakra. Enti ye ntimi ye bibia pepepe. Ba ye gu so ya ye biko. Nti say
the assurance Ghana for nya na ado aban mu. Any obai the all year no emra na follow youth no tie youth na sabe na ka kire wo who said the youth no are satisfied they are okay ebi mo ka so mo ye gallant o free illegal mining no ba ye so mo nya adwuma nye obi so ekuani o ye youth odokua but then the product no kra no so kra no e ready how to get the product out from the place no to the market no very it's a problem, it's a challenge because the road accessibility to the place no and yet all these they are talking about crime rates at its peak, how they see politicians are among youth no more universities and no students who university now no we politician no coach no or build the mountains on reaching home now or no classroom no akatu bia omuni asem some cannot is it not something you must look into.
Anya nsam nyina na wese obika yetie na anya nsam nyina na zuka ani kwase yetie wa hwe solution I have an nipa no obitimi aye ho adwuma because bia menam ntimi bentimi nkotena office more time nkotena ho mra menni nya qualified to say me guru that sector meko ho but obia pese obota na okope ba biatena ebe de na wanya ne sama na jeje no mo ye yeso no eno ade ne so no ede ne si ye samba bunu na mo ye ntomo tifie ntomo nya aduma omo ye de ne didie so mo so mo nya aduma de bi say de so mo sa call mo no de ye de na kwan be no fa so mo sa timi call mo
if you are now they are trying to manage
for day because when nya aduma be de no sa timi call no.
So what do you want to say?
The person can say Savon ya no more yet, but a yaman could be necessary.
Wow. Oh, yeah. But if you are Jumana or more no. You see, the difference between me and Jumana, me and Jumau. It don't be away out the men here because one cockra no one. Are you not? I said, yes, it's a guy who sold to bet in a film or a first saying, comedian. I have chance also bet in a film comedian. My Bruno, one person bet in a feed a cobocro. Now, Omoyanka credit, you know. Okay, sir, Edma Yadman, I said you. Obenya said the office open, Onyano. From Comac Pens up to now. There be a say complaining to Mabrin Yadman yet. By copying that first saying, a good sway day, a cosso. But then I'm Medica said, Nanado, Mamu no. A bin see that. Say what me about a boy Mabrin for the nurses, not some teachers' name. Son, no, Market baby. Omunya say Mabuno, Omonya Gana Vonibia, so many Gana Vonibia. For the first Jaconia Biaba, police name, migration need fire service of Baba Uba 11,000 plus. Setting Naya Manibia. And yes, if you tell I one day that crop ran and not offer Gana Mabuna, I would mum. So, and you know, it'll be there and it'll be the watching. And tell Copim say, Benya 8 years no. I be some more and more than 8 years I can't no.
na mbabuna ya omo ya complain ya omo ya nyina no o na obi anya aduma ya de ye
Mamba I mafa almost 100,000.
More than that. Yes.
Maka forestry.
Yeah.
And other sectors. But still, there are numerous of Ghanaian youths. Omuguso. Cry for jobs. And even the NAPCO people are not okay. They are crying for sustainable jobs.
But Mammy said, you can't start here. May met her. Wojman, say Wojman, if I say, Edman or in a home for a 120 yoka. A bit or a napku crampoti. A dear pan on a swing, I face a dear pan or ya. A dim for so as a pass so a ma binding packets here.
Then a napku in a year. I never saw more mine.
Yeah.
I don't get you.
Sir, yeah, for a napku.
Yeah.
Ya fan so over banking sector and also a district assembly. O kana say money ho. Ade na oye.
Oh, so the government is aware money ho no head from Kubu okay. Is that what you mean?
No, but I say so your income every house so because can I eat to the amount no. I was saying your home adman ho your income e bam bebre. But I also say ideas now. Now
are you not aware say? Nakufo no any the permanent workers near Jumakro. Only aware na ko no ochira de okwa say 22 periods ah or 22 periods teacher nso ya fa na tua na ka bi abe 2000 nso no ono nso 22 periods
teacher ni bia ni ho aye tua na ka aye na ko ni a ye tua na ka more than 2000
no I'm saying say na ko ni no adwuma wo ye no one teacher ni no ye permanent teacher no worker no aka difference mo baro mo nyina ye adwuma kro
but say ono na say aban so say aba say na ko no e say ni obi ansan gotena fi bi mo
okay
afi na financial clients aba say sa for nyina say ye for mo first
okay
na ya san create another first o ma mo so wi ama betena fie no ya san create the next year no na ye nya ba bia de o ma sese na foforo so ba me che di sa no na mabro na bia na yetumi afa more than 4 million plus
okay before me ko dike ho no odike si wono kwa ye babunu nti wo so ye youth I believe you and now they on you
youth
good we are happy say Ghana ma me atete mo remote tomatoes de na ba ko school no papa na be school 6 years me university 2014 there are a lot of my colleagues have no more university as we speak now I'm not so tifie
but
say more than 50% that so tifie again omo kra so omo ye adwuma no akatu ye de man na bi o ka kire wo ha wani enye as a youth awo man mu no are you okay we are happy with that situation are you okay
menye okay kra na menka say the omo ye ni na ye okay bibia pepepe but the American say bibia ye kakakakra okay ye free one ansan ye kotu nte wonti me free one enko form na ye
good
but wo gusa o ye ni na wo so no wo boaboa no na ye hwe oduma ye mfre ne nansefo na mfaso a abane so enye free ho pa kese pa but obi ho no ma ko office ko na se adwuma ni ho ko na odin say but oko omai bi ti se bia Kenya ne nansefo na ono atimi create bibi kwa say e de ade squad de man ne boss kwa say boss yenye sa de wi na yentimi encreate from sikika ebra for the yinum so entimi da bia me ka say bi ti say like ya fan the passport office dey and ka me kura dey say okoye passport ya ya say ya ju scans na why dey ya yi e bi dey ho say 1 week me ju 4 million 5 million adentina ya mponta obi na ya set office higher office wo pay 100 cities no e friend say fakwa na e tua sika ho wo pay 100 friend say one day that day na so also ka tua ne say na so tua ye betumi anya sa sika nya de tua djuma fa mra aban so fa emfa sika san betua o moka but omo te ho san diska e de say omo botum emra aban so no enya sika bia so emfiri ahonom kra kese but na nipa dance ne e jisha na botum
okay
and ba ko na so ya income bia na che de bia so na ya so ya kase sam so ya de go me free say me ka tua 500 Ghana cedis me peka atrem
okay
me woyire me wamba me san ewo empra wo nchen na bisa ho say fuel kwa de kwa auto ne sen na bisa ho say samna kwa auto ne sen enti ya say o hwe ho so asere wase so hwe ne ka che ansa na oyinu nubu enti ya so ya san suban ye wo no ma binum
okay
ni ya hu ne say aban e boa wa na so aboa aban
somebody is asking a question Sir Mike, I'm enjoying your show. In fact, you know who I am. Yes, I know you. I know so you're a lecturer. I say, please ask the NPP man speaking. is he happy that most of the graduates we train them are receiving less than 1,000 Ghana cedis a month, with their colleagues who found themselves in politics are enjoying more than 5,000 cedis a month? Are you okay with that?
I was here. As far as I can, I mean, who baby all can.
So assuming say
quality part in Pabe, quiet and I say
right. To assume me, inti who say antisa.
Antisa.
Is it not
antisa?
Is it not a known thing? Say
Dabi.
Upa say we are rich easily.
Dabi.
We are politicians.
See, politics. And yejuma. I say it as the politics and yejuma.
Okay.
Because when to me politics without to say me yejuma or baby. Now you because me tell me yejuma me son. So me yejuma private company. Me san yejuma or your friend say me am yejuma to so.
Okay.
So me san eye ku yejuma aka ho. Enti sebio boso me so a nya me fa record aban for me sika ma me ni problem about this.
Okay.
So
right. Me na say me ba ho. We say NPP, NDC are not good, but NPP is more better than NDC. Network from Bogoso, network there they Abba, I don't know. We say good evening, sir. Mike, please tell the NPP man to do his checks well before he speaks. It is not true that they have paid all cocoa farmers. Teacher Karim Tepa. Teacher Karim no China birthday na. And then your birthday no. Teacher, happy birthday to you. Nyama unyini enche. Na when you come documents in family. Adakwa, right. Please tell the NPP man to keep quiet, to quit from politics and join NAPCO, and whether he could survive for even a month. He should stop the cheap propaganda. Well, we say the most painful thing is in life is you wish you could do but has no power. Mr. President will cry one day after his term of office has elapsed. He should ask Mahama what he is going through. Okay. Okay, I'm ready to on their campaign. Okay? Yes.
Master, last message now, okay? And I'm for it. Obeko fi. Send it them and a person and obeko. Say begin the scene obeko fi.
Oh, your president, you have a president.
Oh, Nana Akufo-Addo, your president. I get baby, your father said, continue reading everything. They lost glory.
Lost me to say that.
All I was saying, yet his castle to come there. All I was saying, maybe they protected the national affairs. All I was saying, and I'm a mobile one, you know, Ghana, I am a mobile. When we want to touch the realities on the ground.
Okay.
Now, come to 700.
Yeah.
And now allowance you. And then your salary.
Yeah.
And just a pocket money. Anna, Bank of Ghana, CEO, okay, 120,000.
But I saw a modern and your pay. Oh, my man and your pay.
Allow me, Okasalamity.
So, such a nine your pay.
Okasalamity.
I just manage.
Cocoa bond, 86,000. National lotteries, 86,000. TVL, 75,000. Now, come now, all come. Jordano, 47,000. Now, Abranta will build university. I'll be the other 4 hours. Also, about 700 Ghana.
Half a loaf.
Me bow.
Half a loaf is better than none.
There are disparities in our pay, our numerational structure. It tells you everything is not right in this country. And nothing now, someone girlfriend will be the language about it. But the young graduates now, wouldn't your friend starving wage? Starving wage. What's so scam? But who could gather?
What's so scam?
But who could gather? Starving wage.
For the entire.
The car can you bring?
Yes. Now, the constitution, and where the Ghana for see anymore. I'm not coming to constitution 25 times.
Okay.
Me Bojama runs a brow about the woman. Ever 6 months, I'm around.
He spoke on it.
What's the constitution?
Yeah.
I felt an offer heavy. 1 year would do what the Ghana for constitution.
Bonnie Ben, what the Ghana for? Maybe on who is said the other one or at that time.
At that time.
Good.
There were 4 years astute lawyer. You criticize it. Ubana, what can we
at ye?
Now the dear money. Now, there are times crowd out by ye.
So no, or the Constitutional Review Committee.
And I go a far boy recommendations in that.
Mahaman to us.
Mama, when dear papa. Good. Mama, boss. I had dear way I would hey, you gonna how you have feel. Or I was me relinquish powers and my gun for. Go move on hold my accountable. And you made it. Not for the share capital. 1974, never seen that. And Uncle Fabo, he has been championing as human rights advocate. He has so many expected, so many experience under his sleeves. Not the papa is president. Papa I can't jump. You name them. I got your team free UP. I'm your friend PFP. Some party friend UNC. I know for those who put that.
Okay.
Offshoot from MPP. Now for what you know for MPP. I want to general secretary for the party. And then I make our history.
Yeah, babe.
1978, we told you that. Go to Sapan Mubia. Oh, you're quite national crown. And national, I call runoff. Now, I go for the farmer, Beto. I don't get a kind of man.
And I know they say, you come up, Brassam.
I may bow.
You come up, Brassam. It's a topic, no would have it. You come up, Brassam.
The woman is
awesome.
And Mabuna Ghana. Constitution, when you leaders are. If you 1992, a best in that. Omatra Ghana. Constitution, we are less. Now, you are subjects. I don't mind. I imagine say, I need here. They have divided the country and ruling. And now, what take care? They will test come, they will tell you one. Can you not say so?
Okay.
Or man, we are the university for one front. I want to fight for our rights.
Okay.
And then the front has been divided. Who goes for them one? The NDC soldier, MPP soldier.
Yeah.
Every sector. And yet, divide the root tactics. Yeah. We are Pekka Kredia Komo. Yeah, there is a saying that he who feeds you
controls your mouth.
And for my mother said, they will control our minds forever.
Okay.
So that yet we may keep you
right
in abject poverty in perpetuity.
Okay, Fancy. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please, the NBB communicator is not communicating well. Not all people will be employed in the public sector.
Okay.
I understand it is a matter of choice. Can I ask him why he chose to work as a government official? Please, let me ask him, as a graduate, how can you survive with 700 Ghana cedis without Senate? Again, about 3 months, then you are yet to be paid. Obi question Ubusa, I don't know. We say, we say, Nanado and NPP should listen and stop always defending, because on the ground, people are suffering. Hashtag fix the country from Joe the Abayano. Yes, Mike, in Ghana, the best way to stay unemployed is to go to university. From the best way to. Okay, well, I think Nana was let's start giving positions there. I need Debbie. I mean, to few minutes. Now, I'm from a few calls. 0202 668461 0202 668462. But Mountivo on Uncle Form. Now, until I option it tell Eddie Ama Mountivo on Uncle Form. Now, it's our phone. I would say, no, and I ask for your banners. Maybe I'm on 0202 668461 668462. Fix the country. Come and yeti. But before Abia Ubiano, does that mean okay, my main fact? Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, free. Well, friend. Okay. Okay. Yanasi, Yanfuachi, Yanya, the Opazoka. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Would you be free? Yamia, do you be free? Capito into I'm the I'm not okay. Capito, Yanso, Yadasi. Hello, good evening. Would you be actually free and you ring? Jinaso. Okay, Karim. Now, you can't say, Ghana, you hear me, maybe, even you may cost for Ghana, I step up. After the country, the United States, and then we are the market deals. I did some of the plans, and I put the number of and do more to come and see the idea of the service. We should be near to catch a with the idea with the next politician with the support to say, almost a man. Okay. Okay. Happy birthday. I mean, start on your Cassipa. The case of Miabuama, Omana to Pontiano Akaino. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening, Udine Afrefree. Udine Afrefree. There, ma, Stephen, ain't you? Yeah, the man who about 3 measures, 90 communicate and since I'm a project, so I think we can't say, I won't buy and with the country demonstration. A father, you see, wow, I want to see what she said, and never would it. Yeah, I'm not fantastic. I don't know how to be okay, Yanasi. Hello, good evening. Would you be free? Yatonka, Martin will not go for Yatonka. Who free? Takwa can David until Takwa until Ken. Yo, open the back of the president can say, Gana Mabu, Yamon, and my name is political. Because political is and only your with that way. Okay. All right. Can you now say, Yamreno, I am the last caller now. Hello, good evening. Okay. Yam fancy, Yamreno, I am Yanamasi, more money to me and room on Bancha Pa near Nipanadoso, Tabani say, Yana, the Akosiana, Your Excellency, Yako.
The woman said, Ghana,
apart from the constitution now, we need sectorial reforms.
Maybe I know another topic. I was a nyabre need the
nyabre. A quite fast to you. Running for food and dog. Umba commercial farm. Sekanye as far as it all. Everyone will pay you right.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, all year round irrigation. And the other for one said, you did a swim about for farm it. Get to go. Yeah, reservoir.
Let's bring it.
Amount. Solar power machine. Amount so the whole year. Yes, yeah, Baba, yeah. Value chain addition of our raw materials.
I'm not crying. Maybe next week in your
the educational system, you will go. But you never raise war. Our security, we have to learn from school. And we must use what we have to get what we want.
I saw one penny buy or can so move behind you.
Low cost. I know.
Oma was in low cost. Oma was yes. What's it they say? What did you say?
6,000.
60 million.
Yes, car brand new. Now cruiser 4,000. Minimum penimubia or ministra. The lamp cruiser no use. All the coffee, I'm running say. Say one out of lamp cruiser now. After 4 years.
It means somehow. It will be
zero. Now walk transport ministry.
Okay.
No matter value.
Okay.
South value net 4,000. Omo maintenance.
Okay.
6,500 plus out of 4,000. And you might have cost for Ghana. Yet you Ghana problems never himself. And I know how to fix it.
Right. Ghana problems, His Excellency Akwasi Adeodike, a leader and founder, UPP, Osigunesem. He knows how to fix it. So the only thing you can do, and it says, I'm not soon your opportunity to know Ujina. You just give him your term, and then Udike becomes president. Say, oh dear, say yes, so sorry. Trying to say, so whom you know, yes, so sorry, as sorry, that's a year. But they are funny, I need as well. If you an idea, yeah, but not watching it. Well, Agu.
Yeah, Minya. My mention, I shall for you, Nasi, not a Mabuno. Best almost say, they are kind, they are queer, not the uncle, and Guadina yet, the year money, say, a bit here, best as home function. But never sang country Ghana for say, in fact, Nanado, all year campaign, one castle about better constitution. And now, I feel now, yeah, nobody did say, said, or yeah, listen, president, or Beshana was it. From TV now, Omasa said, but me they are not Ghana for now, never signed board to a good. Because San and Neka say 2 DC's name. You create a partisan land and I'm not Ghana. So I combine Sano. More to go, you know. And you are not also not a bassa now for business. Papa, so right. Dr. Makoba, Dr. Makoba, Richard Makoba. Okay, and Abner Drew, I send north. I send up.
Honorable Abner Drew, I send north.
Oh, yes, oh, yes.
Okay, yeah. Now, health minister, Honorable Kweku. Achimai, Dr. Master. Yes, Tiano. What the Ketiano?
Madame for Paro. Medina meetings, baby. Some they can't say Hannah on frame.
Okay. Okay.
Now, yet, yeah.
Right.
Now,
right.
Doctor to be so free. Dr. Master Ample for first now you're come for not emergency.
Dr. Master Ample
for. You say only deputy CEO National Ambulance Service.
Oh, okay.
And now Dr. Abet Via and also a
okay. Well, this is your most authoritative social political show on TV. Meeting edit Sir Mike, His Excellency Akwasi Udi Kenka, and Afi Kwakudia and so Moten. On behalf of the entire crew, and a fantastic production, and Afi who's having wife for TV so. The way our camera no, Kobe Chairman and Yagro, MCR, VTR, and so Loretta and Afi Augustina. Production manager, Uchinozo, executive producer, Sam Darkus, the producer, Bernard there. Meeting edit Sir Mike. Yamia Dumochina. Ibisia. yakra.
Ɔsi animudia mi manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinom bɛ frɔ mo ho sɛ me ɔmo asɔfoɔ nso na ɔmo nya ma asɔre ma akɔm obi wɔ hɔ a me ne wo kasa stroke akye no wa ya stroke no enko malam sɛ bra ya adwuma me ne da
okay
kosie da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawa da efie da ana me nya adwuma na efie da wo bɛto me ya wo so me hwɛw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopɔn eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15